Sure, you've heard of people making a killing online. But how exactly do they do it, you may be wondering. With the rise of the internet, there are more opportunities than ever before to make money online. And with over 4 billion people around the world having internet access, you can enter any niche and reach your target audience with your products and services. Hey, Nadia here. I am an online entrepreneur, and I make money online every day. It is quite simple once you get the hang of it. You may ask, if it's that simple, then why isn't everyone doing it? The answer is that not everyone knows how to make money online, or where to start. People tend to think that making money online is some sort of get-rich-quick scheme, so when things don't go according to plan, they give up and never try again. Making money online takes hard work, dedication, and time. The good news is, I am a living proof that anyone can make money online, and I will show you exactly how I do it. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you something that can really transform your life today, so stay until the end. When I started looking for ways to make money online, I tried a few things here and there, but nothing really worked out, until I found affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way for you to make money by promoting other people's products and services. You earn a commission on every sale that you make, and it can be a very lucrative business if done correctly. The great thing about affiliate marketing is, you can do it from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. So whether you're in Canada, the United States, or Morocco, you can start your own affiliate marketing business and make money online. Another great thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't need a lot of startup capital to get you started. All you need is a computer and an internet connection, and you can be up and running in no time. Think of it like a very affordable franchise, without the hassle of dealing with inventory, shipping, or customer service. If you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and how you can make money online, then I invite you to sign up for my free webinar by clicking the link below in the description. In this 90 minutes webinar, you will learn everything you need to know about how to start your own online business, from building your first website to generating your first lead using social media marketing strategies. All of the products are already picked for you, so you don't need to worry about that. I will also give you access to our exclusive Facebook group, where you can ask questions and get help from other successful global online business owners. So, if you're ready to make some serious money online, then keep watching, because I'm going to show you exactly how I make money online with affiliate marketing. The first thing you need to do is to find a niche or market to enter. A niche is a group of people who are interested in a particular topic or product. For example, my niche is social media marketing, which is a subset of internet marketing. My branding is my lifestyle, and how I make money online while living my dream life. As an affiliate marketer, you need to find a niche that you're interested in, and then find products or services to promote to that niche. You can promote physical products, digital products, or even services. It doesn't really matter what you promote, as long as it's something that your niche would be interested in. The next thing you need to do is to create a sales funnel. A sales funnel is basically a process that you take your potential customers through, from the time they first hear about your product or service, until the time they make a purchase. The most important part of the sales funnel is the opt-in page, which is where you collect your potential customers' contact information, so that you can follow up with them and make a sale. To create an opt-in page, you need to use a lead capture page builder like Leadpages or ClickFunnels. Once you have your opt-in page set up, the next thing you need to do is to drive traffic to it. Traffic is basically people who are interested in what you're selling, and who are looking for a way to buy it. There are many ways to drive traffic to your opt-in page, but the most effective way is through paid advertising. You can use Facebook ads, Google AdWords, or any other form of paid advertising to get people to see your opt-in page and sign up for your email list. Once you have people on your email list, you can start promoting products to them. The best way to do this is through email marketing. Email marketing is basically sending emails to your list of subscribers, promoting a product or service. You want to make sure that the products you're promoting are relevant to your niche, and that they're high quality, so that your subscribers will be more likely to make a purchase. If you promote products that are low quality, or not relevant to your niche, then you will probably end up losing subscribers and making no sales. That's why it's important to only promote products that you believe in, and that you know will be valuable to your subscribers. Speaking of which, I promised to share something that will transform your life. And here it is: if you want to make big money online, you'll need to promote high-ticket items. This type of products cost a lot of money. They could be digital products, like an online course or an ebook, or they could be physical products, like a high-end piece of jewelry or a luxury watch. The reason you would want to promote high-ticket items is that they have the potential to make you a lot of money. For example, let's say you make a sale on a product that costs $2,000. If you're only making a 10% commission on that sale, then you just made $200. Now, let's say you make a sale on a product that costs $10,000. If you're making the same 10% commission on that sale, then you just made $1,000. As you can see, the difference in commission is significant. And that's why promoting high-ticket items is the key to making big money online. Of course, selling high-ticket items is not easy. It takes a lot of work and dedication. But if you're willing to put in the effort, then it can definitely be worth it. Remember, once you start making sales, you'll want to scale your business by adding more products and services to promote. You can also add new features to your opt-in page or sales funnel to make it even more effective. Now that you've discovered the secret to making big money online with affiliate marketing, it's time to take action and start building your own online business today. Click the link in the description below, sign up for the free webinar, and learn how you can get started setting up and running your online business in no time. The sky's the limit when it comes to making money online with affiliate marketing, and I hope that this video has given you some ideas on how you can get started. If you're ready to make some serious money online, take action now, don't wait till tomorrow. Remember to subscribe to our channel to watch future videos like this one. Thanks for watching.